Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create workflow automation in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to workflow automation in the top right corner here, this icon. Or if you cannot find it, you can just search it. You can search workflow and we'll find workflow automation. Click on it, and then you will be in this page in the workflow automation. So basically you will have a lot of templates here. So maybe before you create new one, you can just find it. You can find the template that fits with your need. And if you think you need another custom workflow, you can just click create custom workflow here. And then you can choose what would you like to automate in QuickBooks. You can choose the workflow, the record for workflow, maybe invoice, bill, and other option here. So there are a lot of option here. Maybe report, it's up to you. Every record it's different. So for example, for the report, it's only scheduled action, and maybe for invoice there are five option here: reminder, approval, notification, send, and update. And maybe if you choose bill, it will be different also. Yes, it's only reminder, approval, and notification. So let's say I want to automate the maybe invoice, and I'm gonna create a reminder. So choose the reminder and click next. And then this is the workflow. So basically, when the workflow started by when invoice is created or edited. So basically, you can choose or you can, uh, edit it. And also after that, when this happens, so invoice payment status is unpaid, invoice amount is greater than zero. You can modify it. So yeah, of course, you can change maybe greater than 10, and then you can click save, or you can add addition condition here, accept, and then you will get a reminder via what? So you can customize it via what? You can choose via email or another option here. So task or email to customer, to your team, and other push notification is up to you. You can just click save. Oops, I think like this, and it's done. So basically, when the invoice is created or edited, invoice payment status is unpaid and it's greater than 10, you will get a reminder to customer and your team via email. And then you can just click save and turn on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.